Hey, everybody, and welcome to the meteorology segment. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing that the channel exists. We're so delighted that we're excited and we're talking about surface winds. So here we are on nullschool.net. We're looking at the surface winds of the Western world. Some strong winds in the North Atlantic. We won't worry about it. We're not on a boat with Marky Mark or George Clooney. That's a reference to The Perfect Storm, if you're wondering. It's a movie about some bad times while fishing in the North Atlantic. Anyway, here are the jet streams of the Western world. Extreme bends over the North Atlantic. As you can see, a 180-degree bend there. The jet stream blowing due north and due south within only a couple hundred miles of each other. Also, very chaotic jet stream action in the southern hemisphere as their summer approaches. Our winter does as well. And we'll be streaming live for the solstice. By the way, at the moment of the solstice, we'll be streaming live. It's only a few days away. And we'll be streaming live to wish you a happy winter or a happy summer or whatever. If you're viewing from a different planet, plane of existence, dimension, spacecraft, solar system, galaxy, universe, multiverse, etc., let us know in the comments. The jet streams of the eastern world are looking a little more coherent. The southern portion a little bit chaotic. Here are the surface winds of the east. Let's blast through a bunch of more information here. And this cyclone has moved off of the Philippines. There is still some humanitarian impact expected. A bunch of strong winds here around the West Pacific. Here's your lower 48 GFS precipitation and pressure forecast for the next 72 hours. Snow continues to fall in the northwest portion of the country. Pacific Northwest going to see some extremely heavy snow once again, some extremely heavy rain. That place is inundated. It is moist up there. Moist. Also some ice falling in New York. In the forecast, there's some significant ice storms there forecasted. You can see those pink areas. Those are wintry mix. It could be freezing rain. Let's hope not. That is a disaster. Don't drive in freezing rain, folks. Just don't do it. Next to your temperature anomaly graph. This is also a 72-hour GFS forecast for temperature anomaly. And the east portion of the country seeing some warm temperatures here. Some wild fluctuations in places like Montana going from anomalously cold to anomalously hot. Keep in mind this gradient here is in degrees Celsius. That's your GFS temperature anomaly forecast for the next 72 hours. Next, snow depth. We're going to zoom out to get the full lower 48 here. Here's your snow depth forecast for the next 72 hours based on the European model. This is where the European model puts snow depth at 1300. That's 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Looks like some snow expected to fall in southwestern Pennsylvania as well as West Virginia there. New England is going to be blanketed by Monday the 20th. And check it out, we're getting some snow in Mexico there and South Texas. Ciudad Juarez expecting to have some snow. Check it out, that is not... Wow, it must be really hot down there, folks. It's so hot down there that it's going to have snow, a couple inches, it looks like. Let's see what the forecast is here. Sonora, Texas, expected to have a couple of inches of snow there. Apparently it's so hot that it's cold, folks. Oh my God, it's so hot that it's cold down there. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county is lit up, just click on it. We don't have time to cover all that. However, if you have a custom weather report you'd like, let us know in the comments. We'll consider it. Next, your NASA Goes Lightning Mapper. Do we have any terrestrial lightning? A little bit here in Arkansas, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Mississippi. Seeing a little bit of lightning. Here's a real-time lightning map. Do we have any current lightning strikes? Indeed, it looks like we do. So let's zoom in here at lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzachtung.org. And we do have some active thunder and lightning happening here around the Choctaw Nation near McAllister. Some thunder rolling in there around McAllister Airport. Also Wilburton, seeing an active cell happening. Next time you hear thunder, check out lightningmaps.org. It could save your bacon. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. We just love it as a live streaming platform. Look for more gaming videos and stuff coming out. Please tell your friends and foes if you're a Twitch channel or an influencer, etc. We need your help. Please help us out. Put out our videos. We put our daily space weather video on BitChute yesterday. BitChute.com/smAsho. And if you're viewing these videos on BitChute, make sure you view on YouTube, as you're missing 90% of the content. YouTube.com/smAsho/playlists for all kinds of stuff besides meteorology and space weather videos, videos about cycling and more, lifestyle stuff, even recipes, and look for more of that coming. If you want to support the channel because you enjoy the content, we're paid almost nothing to put the videos on YouTube, so become a member of the Smash Team, smashomash.com/SmashTeam. If you'd like to buy a bike or gear, you can find links below the video to look me up. Yeah, I became a pro cyclist in 1999, and now I've gone into the realm of selling bikes and gear. It's just spectacularcurated.com/e/dan.nigro. Again, links below the video to all of that stuff. Support the channel if you would like the videos to continue to exist. Cycling, the most efficient means ever devised to transport humans. Here's an efficient way to look at the air mass over the Pacific Ocean. That's the water vapor map, part of the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. Here is your U.S. Doppler Radar. And some precipitation showing up at Hawaii once again. And a little bit kicking up there in Alaska. We're going to focus on the lower 48 at the moment. You can see a pretty strong, some heavy rain there, just about to approach Nashville. Nashville, you're about to get hit. And that's going to be moving steadily to the northeast. It looks like there's a significant impulse there. And here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's too dark to see this, so we use the shortwave radiation map. And here's the water vapor. And a fairly steady flow there, a fairly predictable. The Doppler isn't going to change too much, folks. It'll be fairly definitive. Here's your recap. U.S. Doppler radar. Shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog. And there's the water vapor. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing we exist. Check out smashomash.com/SmashTeam. We've replaced Patreon with something vastly superior. Press share, press like, press subscribe. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, Least Busted Naming News. Opinions expressed in this video, not necessarily the opinions of Smash News Network, Least Busted Naming News.